All right, guys. So, welcome back to this YouTube automation, AI automation. And this is Ilioma. And in this video, we will going to see another case study. So, it's been a long time, I haven't recorded a video, and because I don't get the time to record this video. So, right now, I'm recording it. So, this is a case study 12. And in this is, case study of blogging of this particular website, like simplywalldecor.com. And so basically, in the case studies, we will see how you can basically replicate, the site, which is very, easy to replicate, replicate. So basically, these are the few steps that you should follow. Like first check the niche, and then put the site in SEMrush, and check the page. Oh, sorry for this, but check the page. How many pages site have? Export, copy the site, create a strategy. So these are the few things that we will look up. Uh, Let me come up on the site first. I'm gonna show you how the site looks like. So simply welldecor.com. You can check out the type of the content that these this site is creating, and this is something which you can do. It's not something that which seems impossible, but it is something which you can do and create content using AI tools. Right now AI is there to help you, so you don't need to worry about the content. Also, you can utilize Grammarly, where right now Grammarly gives you the option of humanizer, so you can also create the content using AI tools, and then you can also make it humanizer, and make it human, where people will come and just read the content. So these are the few images again. Very simple, very simple, very easy to create content, and just headings and subheadings. So if you just see, Scandi inspired gallery walls with neutral tones. People are, these type of keywords, which basically are people basically, search these type of keywords on Google. Also, if you just come up on the category like gallery walls, if you just put the, this keyword gallery wall on SMrush, you will eventually see, how many people are, what type of question that people are asking, and what type of content that people are actually looking for. Like if they wanted to decorate their gallery wall, or if they wanted to have the image ideas, because most people come and see, they would want to just check the images in this niche. People wanted to see the images. So if you just create content, just with the images, or with most of like AI videos that shows the gallery wall designs, which eventually help them customers, or um who people people who are actually searching this. So again, what we need to be doing is, so first absorb the content, and of course the keywords that what is basically the intent, and why people are coming and why people are searching it. It's just because they wanted to see the they wanted to get the idea, and so that they can decorate the walls for themselves. So again, come up on SMrush. So this is the free version that I'm using, because I am right now using it to just show you guys that you can start out, you can start with this free tool. And here you can see dashboard, domain overview. What we need is to first come up on the domain overview, and just put the site in this domain overview section, and then see what type of how much traffic that this site is getting, and what type of keywords are ranking, and also from where people are coming from. So these are the few things. Also, the main thing is, you can check out what type of content that they are producing. Like, it's informational, it's commercial, it's in navigational, or commercial, navigational. There is another intent, which is transactional. So these are the four main keyword intent, which where people basically search. Like if they want information, they just come up and read the information. If they wanted to buy something, they just go and buy. So authority score is like 2, which is very low, and referring domains are 11, backlinks are 20. So I think this is something which you can replicate. And the best thing is, you know, this site is basically earning $100 per month. And this is something which is very, you know, amazing to see, that you can basically create so top keywords, so top organic keywords. If I just click on view details, and then we can see how many you know content pieces that they have created. So it's mostly about, you know, image content. If you just again come up on this mudroom wall storage, so most of the people, you know, wanted to decorate their mud wall in a way where, you know, it feels look nice, calm. So here you can see again, the person is using images. Also, you know, this site is making a good amount of money, which is using, you know, uh, mid journey monetization platform. So there is a, you know, monetization platform which basically, you know, comes up when you just get the traffic, and then you can, you know, add the site. But the point here is, if you're starting out, you just need to get the idea, and then just, you know, buy the domain and hosting from well known hosting you know, providers, and then just you know, see the niche, and then start creating content, whether it would be, you know, images, whether it would be videos, whether it would be simple content production. You can utilize AI tools. Coming up, I don't know why this is not producing, showing a good amount of, like this cozy wall art. This is just showing me this one, but I don't need to see this. If I just click on pages, maybe, you know, it shows. I don't know SEMrush is working or not. This is just, you know, for the sake of giving you the idea that how you should be researching. You know, first you need to research about what type of pages that they have, you know, created content on, and what type of the keywords that they are targeting, and then from where they are getting traffic, also from, you know, which type of content that they are producing. These are the few things that you need to look up. Again, come up on the, you know, this thing pages. I don't know why this is not showing, but I'm going to give you the idea of, you know, first start with the keyword research process, and find, you know, less competition and high volume keyword, which is, you know, you need to target. Also, you can, you know, target the long tail keywords, because long tail keywords right now are very in, you know, in trending. Also, you can, you know, the point in it is long tail keywords do get ranking very fast, because most people, you know, search long tail keywords around a certain niche. Like this is a decoration niche, simply well decor. So it's basically, you know, a niche which basically target like small spaces, DIY tutorials, gallery walls, wall colors and paint, wallpapers, by room printables. So these are the again few things. If I just click on wall storage, so just, you know, absorb the site again. I'm gonna and I can just, you know, tell you that just absorb the content and type of the keywords that, you know, they are targeting, and what type of content that they're producing. These you know, these are very simple, um, and this is very simple niche. And the second thing is, it's about, if you just, you know, you can also create, the point in it is you can create images using AI. So this is one of the best thing you could do, and target, you know, this niche and produce images and content, images and videos, and put on the, you know, site. But first you need to utilize the tool, you know, SMrush. Also the second one is Href, and also, you know, you can utilize Google Keyword Planner, which is free of cost if you're starting out. Utilize all of those tools, and then, you know, create a keyword list in Google Sheet, and then, you know, target and produce content. Also, you know, you must focus on page SEO. And for on page SEO, there are some tools you can utilize, like, you know, Yoast SEO, SE or SEO, you know, SEO Pest, and rank math. So there are, you know, a lot of, you know, and a lot of tools which you can utilize. But the point in it is, starting out, you know, start with you know, the research process. And I think that's this is something you might helpful. If you think that, you know, this video is helpful, do give it a like, and do let me know if you face any problem. Also, if you want me to, you know, set up your blog, or, you know, create you the Google, you know, create you the Google Sheet of keyword research and content calendars, do let me know. And I think we can also produce, we can, you know, help you with all of these things. with starting your own blogs to make you a good amount of money with ranking in traffic. And I hope this helps. If you think this is something which is helpful, do give it a like and see you in the next video.